Alright, we're out here in the garage again today. We picked us up another engine. It's a big block Chevy. They said it's a 454 in the ad, but has no weight on the balancer, so it's got to be internally balanced. And the guy says it's factory and stock. Tells me it's a 427 if I'm correct. So we'll see when we get digging into it, but there's some serious damage on the cam. Our flat tappet lifters aren't so flat anymore. And you can see down inside the lifters we got some flat spots, and lobes are completely rolled over, worn out. So we'll go ahead and get torn into this thing and see what we find. Alright, well, we got the heads pulled off of it. All of these holes look pretty good on the passenger side. Over on the driver's side, they all look good except for this one. It's got some bits and smashes into the top of it, so something fell into that hole somehow and beat it up. We'll take a look at the heads. Passenger side again looked nice, no damage. Driver's side, on the other hand, this is the head with a bad cylinder. You can see this also has some damage on it. Not too bad, definitely something that's fixable. We can take care of that, but other than that, they look alright. Might be good to go. Alright, well, I told you the camshaft was wasted in this thing. There's no doubt about that. This is also a flat tappet camshaft, and you can see just how worn and rounded off those bad cam lobes are. Not good, boys. got everything tore out of it. Block actually checks out pretty good. Got a little damage on the main, number 2. A little grooving in there. Not a big deal, but I'll have to address it. It'll be line board anyway. We got all the parts out of it over here. All the good stuff. This was the piston that was damaged. The reason the guy said he tore it apart originally, dropped something inside the cylinder. Beat that up. But block looks good, so we'll get it all to the shop and clean it up and see what we decide to do with it. You can see the crank is pretty badly worn. All the mains aren't too bad, but all the rods are, I would say, real bad. This one has about 10 to 20 thou difference from one side to the other. She's pretty worn out. But we'll get her polished up, see if we can't fix it and make her usable.